Hello, I am Luyanda Zindela. I am a visual artist born and raised in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, but currently living in Johannesburg, but also working between Johannesburg and Cape Town. My discipline of choice is drawing. I draw with a variety of physical and digital media, but I specialize in various forms of ink drawing, whether it be with pens or brushes or anything in between. I would say that what inspires me generally is my lived experiences, my everyday experiences, as well as my interpersonal relationships with those who matter to me. So that could be my assigned family, my family members, or my chosen family, which is sort of my close circle of friends. But more than anything, it is my fascination with my own sort of lived experiences, my everyday lived experiences in particular. I have two pieces in the show, which is very interesting in the sense that one piece sort of ties to my blood family, and then the other one sort of ties to my chosen family or my close friends. The first piece is based on one of the last conversations I had whilst my mother was alive before her passing in 2024. And this is sort of like a soft, intimate conversation between myself and my mother at the residence where she was at, where she sort of asks about me, but also very importantly relates my appearance and my persona to my father's persona. And so the title of the work is Waza Wafana no Yihlo, which could directly translate to either you look so much like your father or you are so much like your father. And then she sort of ends that conversation off with asking about how my brother is doing. And then the second work is sort of like an ordinary experience that my friends had whilst going to the movies. I think they were watching one of the newer sort of Barbie movies, and they were sort of dressed up, and it was sort of like an everyday but fun moment that they had. And that sort of stems to how sort of ordinary my drawings are. So it's like putting a lot of effort, putting a lot of time into capturing the most ordinary of moments, because those are the moments that inspire me most. So this is an exhibition of a few very young, bright South African names. And so it's a great opportunity or an exciting opportunity to see what young South African artists are doing.